Standard. Standard. Good morning, everybody. Standards. 7 subject social science chapter 2 motion of the earth. ये चैप्टर आपका एक्सप्लेन हो गया. आज मैं उसको आपको ब्रीफली क्वेश्चन आंसर करवाऊंगी जो आपको करने हैं. ठीक है. What will happen if the earth does not revolve around the sun? आंसर आएगा द अर्थ completes one full circle on its axis in 24 hours moving at 1670 km per hour on the equator. As it moves on its axis, only one half of it gets sunlight and there is darkness on the other half. Thus, day-night happen due to its rotation. Moreover, the earth revolves around the sun, keeping its axis inclined in one direction only. That is why we experience seasons. If the earth does not revolve around the sun, we would not experience day night. If day night do not happen, we would not get sunshine, and we know that if there is no sunlight, vegetation cannot grow and it would directly affect the human life. The life would be extinct. Next question. There is a test match between India and West Indies. In the West Indies, when will you watch the match, during the day or at night? If a test match is being played between India and the West Indies, I would watch it at night time because the earth is round, so the sunlight fall on one half of it. The other half remains in darkness. It is night on the it is a daytime when the sunlight falls over an area, and it is night on the other side while watching the globe. It is seen that India and the West Indies are on opposite side. So when a match is being played in West Indies during day, it would be night in India. So I would watch the match at night. Next question है the sun is never overhead in London and there is sunlight till 8 o'clock in the evening. Where is the sun is overhead in Singapore? Why? Next answer है Earth's daily and early motions are synchronized with its 23.5 tilt of the axis, and so the sun rays fall vertical between the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn. Singapore is located on equator, so the sun is seen always vertical. London is away from the Tropic of Cancer. It is at 50° north latitude, so the sun is never vertical over London. Thus, the sun is always overhead in Singapore, and the residents in London can never see the sun overhead. Moreover, the slant sun rays remain for longer duration, so the sunlight is seen there up to 8 in the evening. How do the day and night occur on the earth? Answer है the earth is round, so one half of it gets sunlight and it is the daytime. There the other half is on the other side. The sun rays cannot reach there, and so there is darkness there, which is called night. The earth moves its axis, so different areas of the earth come in front of the sun one after another. So day and night happen on the earth. What are spring and autumn? Means Sharad, and spring means Vasant. Notice in which months do they occur? There are 3 seasons in India: winter, summer and rainy season. There are two sub-seasons in each of these seasons. Hemant and Shishir in winter, Vasant and Grishma in summer, and Varsha and Sharad in rainy season. Thus, the Vasant season comes in summer, in Phagan and Chaitravans, and Sharad season comes in Bhadarva, and also months when the summer starts after the winter. The spring season starts and when the winter starts after the monsoon rainy season. The Sharad season start. ये आपको क्लास वर्क की बुक में और होमवर्क बुक में लिखना है और लर्न करना है, ठीक है।
બીજી ફાઇલ કોઈ ઉપર લખ્યું નથી ને એક આટો વાંચતા હું જાઉં
એક કે ફાઇલ નથી હું લઈ આવી છે
એમની અત્યારે લઈ ગયા હોય તો કોઈ કાગળિયું
શેનું કાગળ જોઈએ છે?